was that sound?
It's the enemy. I need help. It's the enemy. I need help.
Understood. Increase defenses on the starboard side of Deck D. Surround the target.
Snake, get yourself out of sight now. Enemy search parties are on the way. It's a clearing. These aren't sentries you're dealing with. They're searching for you, and they know you don't want to be found. You can't make some feeble attempt at concealment. Make sure you're completely hidden in some place they wouldn't think of searching.